Today, we're gonna go for a ride in the fastest production truck ever made, the Dodge Ram SRT-10. This one was made in 2004, and it has a massive 8.3-liter 10-cylinder powerhouse that makes 500 horsepower and 525 foot-pounds of torque. This is the same engine that they put in Dodge's famous Viper. This truck has a 6-speed manual transmission with an anti-spin rear axle. The 6-speed manual transmission shifts through all the gears very nicely. Right now I'm going about 70 miles an hour on the highway, and it's riding really smooth, and the cabin's really quiet. There's not a lot of excess noise. The Ram received the Editor's Most Wanted Truck Award from Edmunds.com and was also given a 5 out of 5 star rating for its reliability, which includes everything from the engine all the way down to all the accessories. Alright, we're getting lined up with the back of the semi, and I'll show you how fast this truck is. The exterior of this Ram looks to be in pretty near flawless condition. The only thing I did notice are a couple normal wear and tear chips on the paint on the front bumper, and there's one on the rear here. The leather seats are in good condition. There's only a little bit of wear on mostly the driver's seat here on the outside. Other than those two things, this truck is pretty close to flawless condition.